It is noon, January 17, 2020, and this is an update on the ongoing winter storm. You can see from the latest radar loop that the heaviest snow is still south of the region, but moving north and will overspread the region this afternoon. Across eastern North Dakota, northwest and west central Minnesota, there are areas of freezing drizzle that are causing very icy roadways, as well as snowfall, as well as strong southeast winds blowing snow around and causing significantly reduced visibilities. In some areas, actually whiteout conditions. Travel conditions are deteriorating, as you can see from the road condition map, where no travel is advised across much of southeast North Dakota and adjacent portions of Minnesota. Road conditions are also deteriorating across much of the region. I have an example from the Minnesota Department of Transportation with some plow cams that show some of the conditions that you could expect if traveling across the region. This will be a major winter storm that brings major impacts to the region. The most significant impacts will likely be the heavy snow east of the Red River Valley, as well as blowing snow and whiteout conditions along and west of the Red River Valley. Total snowfall from the system is expected to be heaviest east of the Red River Valley. However, there will be at least 4 or 5 inches of snow along and west of the Red River Valley, and potentially more across northeast North Dakota into the northern Red River Valley, where the greatest uncertainty still exists. Some areas in the yellow dotted circle may receive heavier amounts. The snowfall will spread from south to north across the region this afternoon into the evening, and then remain into Saturday morning and slowly decrease by Saturday afternoon. These are the winds you can expect this afternoon and the associated impacts due to blowing snow. Winds will be strongest across the southern Red River Valley, nosing up into Grand Forks, and this is where you can expect those sporadic whiteout conditions to continue. As we move into the evening hours, a cold front will begin to move from west to east across the region. The blowing snow impacts will decrease ahead of the cold front. However, the blowing snow impacts will increase behind the cold front as winds turn to the northwest and gusts to 50 or more miles per hour. This is when the more persistent, widespread whiteout conditions will spread into the region. As we move into Saturday morning, you can see the cold front is nearly through the region, and the persistent, widespread whiteout conditions will have overspread much of the area along and west of the Red River Valley. And these conditions will continue through the day on Saturday. Conditions will improve Saturday evening and should be much better by Sunday morning. Travel is being impacted and will be impossible at times. And remember to always check your trusted sources of information often for the latest information. Thank you and remain safe.